Now let's move on to the second problem. Find the sums given below, and the first subdivision is 7 plus 10 and a half plus 14 and so on up to 84. So A equals 7. So this is first subdivision. A equals 7. L or AN equals 84. And what about D? D is 10 1 by 2 minus 7. This is 10 and a half minus 7, which is 3 and a half. And 3 and a half we can write it as D equals 7 over 2. And we can apply the formula Sn equals n over 2 times A plus L, where A is the first term and L is the last term. So we've got A and L, but we need to find out n. So first we have to use an formula and find out n before we can substitute that in this formula. So an is given by a plus n minus 1 times d. What is an? An is 84. 84 equals, what is a? A is 7 plus n minus 1 times 7 over 2. 7 over 2 is the difference. So we can simplify this. So 84 minus 7 equals n minus 1 times 7 over 2. 84 minus 7 is 77. So 77 equals n minus 1 times 7 over 2, or n minus 1 equals 77 into 2 over 7, and we can cancel this, or n minus 1 equals 22, or n equals 23. So we have the value of n, which is 23. Now we can apply Sn formula. Sn equals n over 2 a plus L, and we know n is 23. So S23 equals 23 over 2 times a is 7 and last term is 84. So we can write it like this: 23 times 91 over 2, or 2093 over 2. And if you simplify this, S23, or sum of 23 terms, is equal to 1046 1 over 2, or 1046 and a half. Now let's move on to second subdivision. Here A equals 34, an equals 10, or this is also the last term L. What about common difference? We can find that D equals 32 minus 34, that is equal to negative 2. So an equals a plus n minus 1 times d. We use this formula to find n before we can go to the sum of n terms. So an, or 10, equals first term 34 plus n minus 1 times, what is d? Negative 2. So this is 10 minus 34 equals negative 2n plus 2, or 10 minus 34 minus 2 equals minus 2n. So this is negative 26 equals negative 2n, or n equals 26 over 2. Actually we can cancel this negative sign on both sides, and n equals 13. Now we have the value of n. Now we can do Sn formula. Sn equals n over 2 times a plus L. So S13 equals 13 over 2 times 34 plus 10. So this is 13 times 44 over 2, or we can cancel this. So 13 times 22, or S13 equals 286. Now let's do subdivision 3. Here A equals negative 5, an equals L equals negative 230, which is the last term. D or common difference equals negative 8 minus of negative 5, which is equal to negative 3. And to find the sum of n terms, we need value of n, and we are going to find that. An is given by a plus n minus 1 times d, or negative 230 equals negative 5 plus n minus 1 times negative 3, or negative 230 plus 5 equals n minus 1 times negative 3. So negative 225 over negative 3 equals n minus 1. Now we can cancel this 75 times. So n minus 1 equals 75, or n equals 75 plus 1, n equals 76. Now we have the value of n. We can use that in Sn formula. Sn equals n over 2 times a plus L, or S76 equals 76 over 2 times negative 5 plus negative 230. This is 38 times negative 5 negative 230. This is 38 times negative 235. So S76 equals negative 8930. So this is our answer.